Hey, the Christmas period started. Let's celebrate. Materials for today: paintbrush, paints, a black sketch, pencil, a ruler, and a scissor. First, you are just cutting a half page of a A4 notebook that you usually have, and we are going to fold them into two, like this, like a card, like a greeting card which we usually used to have. We are going to draw a basic shape of a Christmas tree. Kids can use a ruler to draw this also, a triangle and a square on the bottom, a nice small star on the top of the Christmas tree. Now, the decoration part of it. Draw very basic circle shapes of different sizes, some big and some small. Now, we are going to do a background of it. Christmas is always okay, just to avoid the background sheet to be destroyed, so I just kept a polythene sheet underneath and then doing a background. So red is the theme of the Christmas, so I'm just going to give the background red. While doing this, like this, just outline the whole sheet with a thin brush. Now you can take a flat brush and fill in the color that you want on the background of it. Here I have gave red color, and then I can just wipe off the sheet with, because there is some red stains. Now the same way I'm going to color the Christmas tree. It's the triangle is going to be in green color. Don't worry about the circles. The circles will be seen. So just drop. Change the water. Water is dirty. Get a clean water and then start. The star I wanted it to a bright yellow color. So on the star I'm just painting a nice bright yellow. If you are having very small kids who do not know to use brush, you can do the same thing using your color pencil or sketches that you have at home. It's very simple. Kids will love doing it and then gifting it to somebody during the celebration time. Now I'm just drawing circles, all the dark colors that I'm going to use for the big circles. So I use some blue, two blue and some violet. You can just put little of some dots coming out of the tree also, just to make it natural. And again some red dots, and I'm just giving some blue, some purple, some orange, and the branch of the tree I've given us brown, but it looks very plain, so I'm just adding more and more dots to decorate more. Light yellow is always good to give the brightness of it, like the lights that have. Once you are satisfied with the number of dots on the tree, start doing the outline of it. So use the sketch and do a outline, but ensure the whole painting is wet. If you are using paints, make sure it is not wet, dry, and then start doing this particular outline. Just outline everything that you have drawn. Now let's decorate the balls inside. This is a very famous and simple decoration where we draw zigzag lines and keep dots in between. You would have seen some ball hangings that we have on the Christmas tree have this design. So I'm using the same design for all the big balls. For the small balls, I'm just drawing two lines, curvy two lines in different directions in the center of those circles. So it is all done. Now take a clean water again. This is very important. I keep saying this, and I'm going to place it on a polythene sheet again, just not to destroy the background that I have. We are going to do a snowy effect. So we are going to do a spray. Again, I'm going to teach this. Take white color, mix with nice water. Use two brushes. One brush in your left hand, hold it, and the right hand brush you can just dab to get a nice spray. Different size dots of white. It's like a snowy time, winter time. So the card is ready. You have all yours. Handmade greeting card for Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. You can write your messages. Please encourage your kids to write lot of messages. They are missing these kind of things which we used to have. Write nice messages and present it to their elder ones, loved ones. Please do share your cards. Bye for now.